Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download a photo from Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Facebook account as well as a like page, and a photo that we have uploaded to our account that can be accessed via Facebook Creator Studio. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. So what we can do is let's just now navigate to the like page itself. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, go to photos and we can click on an image and then click on the options key and click on download to save the image that we created and posted to the account directly to the Mac computer. Or let's go back to Meta Business Suite and then go to content. Wait for that to load, go to Facebook Photos, and then click on that image within all Facebook Photos. By using the same concept, options, download. This photo will then save to a folder of your choice within the Mac computer. Let's go to desktop. Click on save. Before we do that, let's now change the name of the image to say image 1. Save to the desktop. And there we have it, that photo that was created, posted, now saved and downloaded to the Mac computer. Quick preview. Go to a new desktop. There we have it on screen, image1.jpg. Quick preview, quick Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.